UK-India Free Trade Agreement proposal. The UK-India Free Trade Agreement is a proposed trade deal aimed at enhancing economic ties between the United Kingdom and India. Negotiations have been ongoing with both nations seeking to boost trade, investment, and economic cooperation. The FTA is expected to cover broad range of sectors including goods, services, digital trade, intellectual property and investment protections. Key objectives of the FTA include: number 1, reducing tariff, lowering or eliminating tariff on wide range of goods to make it easier for business to trade between the UK and India. Number 2, boosting service trade, enhancing access to each other's market for service, mainly sectors like finance, technology, professional services, which are major strength of both economy. Number 3, investment protection, establishing rules to protect investment, encouraging more UK companies to invest in India and vice versa. Number 4, strengthening ties. The agreement is seen as a strategic move to strengthen economic and geopolitical ties between the two countries, especially in the post-Brexit era for the UK. However, challenges remain, including negotiation over issues like data protection, labor mobility, and inclusive of sensitive sectors. The successful conclusion of the FTA is anticipated to significantly boost trade volume and economic growth for both nations. We have uploaded more than 800 videos subject related to UK startup, business, and tax.